What are you doing, Nicholas?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm painting the egg.
What color are you painting it?
Like a rainbow.
Oh. What color are you using now?
Red.
What song is this?
The Pop Stroller song.
Oh, do you like it?
Huh?
Can you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
What's the Easter Bunny going to bring you?
30 jelly beans.
Yum. And what else?
Easter eggs.
Really? Is he going to hide them?
Yeah.
Where do you think he's going to hide them?
And the bushes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you good at finding Easter eggs? Do you like to find Easter eggs?
Can I do blue?
Sure.